Val also just got nominated for 3 Emmys, everyone. We're very excited to have you here. Again, my name is Shane Carlin, President and CEO of Asian Student Achievement. Very fortunate to have met Val earlier this week.
How has your first day been so far, first day and a half?
It's been very good. It's always great to network with various people, seeing old and new friends, and just having an opportunity, for example, being able to talk to a friend of mine and a colleague from Dow, and we are looking at potential partnerships with them and so many others from RSM and many other groups within the organizations that have come to the NAAAP National Convention here in Houston.
For me personally, as an Asian American filmmaker, I thought I could only tell stories within the Asian American space. But I think in sort of the progress that we've made in representation and fighting for bigger opportunities, we can talk about stories that speak to the larger American landscape and cultural landscape. We Are the World is a song that affected me deeply, and that song became a bridge from my parents' immigrant upbringing to my American upbringing. And so, just because I'm Asian American doesn't mean that I don't have a say and agency over these what are American stories. Asian American stories are American stories. American stories are Asian American stories.